Hey gang, Poppy here. If you're not over the age of 18, go away. Seriously, go. Go, 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 go. I don't want you here. This show is for old men. So unless you got gray hair, old ladies, you're welcome too. But if you're under 18, get out. Get out. Okay, go. Hey gang, Puppy here. Caffeine and BS for January 8th in the year of perfect vision. My friend Everett of Everett's Workshop, way up in British Columbia. I wonder if he lives anywhere near AVE. I'm not saying that, they're neighbors. British Columbia isn't a small province. But, so, here's this one. And you see the one here, over here, over my head. I have that one, this one over here, temporarily taped to this piece of foam core. When I get enough so that I'm having trouble seeing foam core, I'm going to get a nice piece of door skin. Sand it, varnish it, give it a little light sand, for any imperfections, and another coat of varnish. Then, permanent! Peel the backs and go. Anyway, I want to thank my friend Everett Falaise. Looks like Fallice, Falaise, in British Columbia. Everett's Workshop. Watch his stuff. He does good work. I'm going to go for now.